Little short one here on what you can do with the Nano Pro, a bit longer, out sitting right here. It's a galvo laser, if you're not familiar with that. The difference between a galvo laser and a conventional desktop laser is a conventional desktop laser uses stepper motors to move things back and forth. This doesn't do that. It's done with galvanometers. Galvanometers. I don't know, a tricky one to say. What we're going to do here, a little idea, something you can do with your Nano Pro, is you can trademark your items. For example, here I've trademarked the back of this coaster here. We put our logo and such on the back of a lot of our projects. Our candy boards, we mark all of those. So I'm going to show you how to get set up on here with this. It's real easy. And what's nice is if you have a very large project and you want to mark the back of it and it doesn't fit on your conventional desktop laser, this is portable and you can set it there and you can engrave right through the base plate. I'll show you how that works. Okay, the base plate right here, that just sits in there like so. You can take that out. You can put your project underneath or set this on top of your project. For example, I got one of our signs here that we do. So I just need to set this down, figure out where I want my logo to be, which is going to be about there. Get it kind of centered. Now, I need to focus because I'm engraving down here and not up here. So it's on. There's two little red LEDs there. Hopefully you can see those. I know that's tough to see on camera. So I need to lower the head down here until those two red LEDs converge and become one. Just right there. Now I can set up my logo, which I already have set up on the computer here. I can I'll frame it first to make sure that's where I want it. And I see that I'm not quite straight on the back of my sign, but I can fix that pretty easy. And then I just hit start. And all you need to do is pick up the laser and take your piece out from under it and you're ready to do another one. So it's just that easy. Trademark your project. Of course, that's one of the signs we make here. But just give you an idea. So there's an idea, a thought of something you can do with your Nano Pro. Just trademark your projects. Like I said, just a quick one here. And of course, don't forget your eye protection. Roger in the shop. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Always helps the channel.